Okay, do you want some help? Do you want me to tell you something? It will help. Yeah. When the colour of your sparks are really light, whereas mine were kind of orange. So try pushing harder and grinding off that metal, scraping off that.
Oh wow, that almost lit.
Yeah, so you get some better sparks that way.
Oh wow, that's better. Whoa, yeah. Okay.
What's the deal? It's a longer run all along the full length of the fire escape?
Okay, I'll give you a little tip. Can someone come and hold? If you come here, I'll put your knife back in the sheath.
Oh, I got it. That's a fire started and it went out.
If you hold that and just film me while I talk. Thank you. Have you got? Who's going to give me a fire still, Sasha? Oh,
boom.
Nice.
You nearly ran out of tinder then. Alright, can I borrow your...
What's it? I got it. Okay, guys, look at that shit. Boom!
Beautiful.
So now that I know I won't waste lighting this, so someone else can use it. I know it works. So that's a fire.
Wow.
Got that on video too.
But yeah, sweet.
Alright, so there's one tip. There's one tip for this. So you want to listen in. So you want okay, just move your right leg.
He's taking fire between his legs.
You want nice orange sparks like this. If you look at the colour of these sparks, and now look at the colour of these sparks.
Jesus Christ.
So what I'm doing, I'm actually shaving off this metal to get hot sparks that they go all the way to the ground. See those? But if you do it just like normally, like people tend to do, you get these little sparks. Yeah, those aren't going to be enough. So you want those kind. Now look at the way I'm holding the fire steel. I'm not holding it like that. I'm holding it like this. So my index finger here is supporting the rod, which means I've got much more control. And then I'm using this thumb to help control this. So I'm actually stopping before I get to the end. And that means I'm not going to do this. I'm going to do this. Because I don't want this to smother.
Wow, that's almost lighting.
To smother the fire.
That's sick. I'm gonna try it again.
Alright.
Nice work, guys. Woo.
Thank you. And hopefully that answered your question.
That is sick.
Yep, that's great.
Cheers. Stop.